Hello, this is my Honda CG125. Today I'm going to try to show you how to take off those handles. I'm pretty new on this, so probably I might struggle sometimes, but just bear with me and you will see maybe useful if you have a similar motorbike. So as you can see, here is a nut bolt. So I use my cross. Sometimes it's quite stiff, so maybe you need to lubricate oil or WD-40 or something else. So this one, and the other side will be the same. Okay. So this is opposite side as well. I think it is ideal to hold this, otherwise it's going to spin together. So you would make it easier. Sometimes if it's tightened too strong, maybe you need a clamp holding this and then using this take out. So now what I try to do, I take it off this handle, but as you can see it's quite stiff, so probably it would be a good idea to use some oil to make it easy to move. So it's out like this, and on the other side would be relatively easier.
2, 1.
It's the same as the other side, but except the throttle, so you have to ease those switch button. So you can open the switch button so that you can ease the throttle. Okay, nearly. Right, here you go. So, as you can see, here the throttle wire has been connected. Now it's moved. It is kind of a tricky part. If you just change the handle, it would be much better idea. Take it off indicator clamp here and clutch handle here, and also on the right hand side there is a brake cable, and this one already taken out because I opened the switch button with throttle, and this brake, so all is one unit, so you can just open this and take it out. So I will show you.
1.
So you need a size 10 because my bike is size 10, maybe another bike with different size. So either you can use with open, or you can use this one, but I prefer this way because it would be much easier to hold. Right, I just put it back just in case I do not lose any pieces. Right, and here's joint cable. This one you can reusable, so you open the tip here upwards and open it. Here's another one. Okay, same for there. And this side also same. But this one is a little bit different with another side. I'll explain why. Because here, this one just simply losing it, but this one I have to open it, and so I can drag it out. So this one is not like clamp. So I will show you to remove this one first. So on your left hand side, the indicator button has to be removed. So here you can see the screwdriver here. One down, and another one is here. Right, so finally I'm out. So this one, and also same thing, you don't want to lose any pieces. So probably you don't have to tighten all the way, but just make sure you are not losing it. And also this side is a slightly longer screwdriver than the other side. So just be aware of that. Okay. So now it's the same thing. I have to remove those tighten parts. I mean, if you have a spare, it really doesn't matter, but I just want to keep the old one. And actually, we haven't actually moved this part. It can be moved. And there's another way. I can open this and then remove the clutch cable, but simply just changing the handle. So it's not that much necessary because necessary part has been removed. So the easier, simple way I'll show you. Yeah. It's losing enough to use my finger. So one clamp, push it out. Another one. Moved. So it depends why you want to move the handle. Maybe you want to switch with a new thing or another type, or maybe you do all make over. But as I'm quite new on this, so I just simply try to figure out how to remove stuff. So then I'm gonna slide this side out. So, right, so there's a handle, has been moved out. Okay, so I think this is what's a simpler way to remove your handles from it. Maybe most of the bike is similar, but some bikes with clap on, so it could be slightly different method, but as long as a similar way of this bike, it would be pretty much a similar way. Alright, hopefully it helps you. Thank you.